cheating people in different ways. Cheating people in different ways. But we also know that we are contributing. We are contributing. How? If we ourselves are sincere in our Christian consciousness, those nonsense things so-called leaders are doing will not disturb our own Christian consciousness, because Christian will lead us somehow or other. These nonsense things will be there, but Christian will still lead us in the middle of that and take us out if we ourselves are sincere. I hope we will understand this point very clearly. So, there are 12 qualities of a spiritual leader. First, sense control and mastery of the mind. Just imagine that. See, this alone carries us through. Sense control and mastery of the mind. One who is self-controlled, one who has control over the senses, cannot cheat someone, who will naturally love other people, naturally. Who will deal with people based on love, not based on our material ability, not based on any other reasons. It will be based on our spiritual concern. Exactly the way a loving parent look at their children. That is how a leader should look at the followers. Exactly the way a mother and father look at their loving children. That is the exact way a leader should look at all the followers. Sense control and mastery of the mind. We are lacking this quality. Humility. Where is it? Humility. Humility. And Chitama told us this is a way to get the message of Christianity, to become qualified. Humility. But what is it? Look at among all the devotees, all of us. What is the humility? But too arrogant in so many ways. Too arrogant in so many ways. It's lacking. Fearlessness. What is it? What is fearlessness? Very disturbed at every moment, every time. How can we lead others when we are full of fear, full of insecurity? We don't know our future. That what brings the fear. We don't know the future. So, fear. Truthfulness. What is it? A person who does not have control over their senses, doesn't master the mind, will never be truthful. Never. Never. Compassion and pridelessness. Compassion. We're talking about the taking bath in the lake of compassion, but what is it in us? What is it? Material exhaustion and disinterest in material rewards. Material exhaustion and disinterest in material rewards. What is it? Many devotees have come to Christian consciousness to start their material life. Many. And when we succeeded in getting the position, we use that to exploit. We used our position to exploit. A leader should not have idle time. Idle time. No idle time. Patience and selflessness. Patience and selflessness. Firm faith. Firm faith. Firm faith. Perseverance, curiosity and enthusiasm to learn. Many devotees don't want to hear from pure devotees. They want to hear from fools like themselves, who is going to tell them the things they wanted to hear, not the things they need to hear. Many devotees like that. We don't want to go to pure devotees to hear what we need to hear. We would like to go to fools who will speak something we want to hear. Surrender to the divine will. This is very far out. Surrender to the divine will. This is far out. We are making our own plans. So it's a problem. But we should know that all of us, including all of us who are talking and hearing and questioning, we are all leaders in some way. And it is now our responsibility to do the right thing.